Nick can send you that drone footage.
Yeah, for sure. That'd be cool.
Gonna do another one today when it's nice out. So.
Yeah.
It's kind of weird how it looks. Kind of when he comes in, like this whole road almost looks like marble.
Oh, really?
Like, it was like
wet and
dry, and then as you get closer, you start seeing all the lines and stuff. It's actually pretty cool.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Yeah. If you send it to me, then I'll make a video with it. Gonna make it today? As long as there's no more obstacles.
Yeah.
Tomorrow I was thinking of bringing in my little gas barbecue, and I was going to get burgers and do burgers
Sure.
for your crew and my crew.
Absolutely.
Would that be okay?
Yeah, absolutely, brother.
Okay, cool.
For sure.
Like, is it okay to have it on site somewhere safe, or should I do it in the parking lot maybe?
Probably the parking lot.
Yeah, okay. That's what I was. That's
that way no one
mostly
can
what I
bitch at us. Yeah, that's cool. Awesome, brother. Sick.
This guy's the grill master.
The grill master?
Yeah.
Nice. The final stage.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. They can definitely kick it. They kick ass.
Yeah.
That was a good go.
What's that?
It was a good go.
Yeah.
So we'll try and when this curb comes in, I'll try to coordinate it so like you guys can come and grade it for a day.
Yeah.
And then Tyler said he'll bring them back, and then we'll just put everyone and see. Jack says it's 3,200 square feet.
Yeah, I was gonna say it doesn't look as much. We probably counted it out in 2 days.
This is 6,000. Yeah, I think if you graded it, we could lay it in a day. Because even when you were grading in front and they were just laying, we were getting 2,500 square feet laid a day, but not finished, like not cut. And but if it's all graded and then everyone's laying and then even my guys are sweeping behind,
yeah,
I think we could do it in a day, which would be cool. I'll set up like a fucking time lapse.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Jack, if you see Francisco, I want to start stacking over there. We really need that green genie boom out of the way. And we need to move this to, I don't know how this got here last night, but
I don't even know where this came from.
it's
inside
aluminum
the
guys.
building,
Yeah,
the
I'm
guy.
gonna guess he needs to do a bunch of work here, and he wants to drive down the middle of the road. That would be typical of construction. So,
Yeah.
but yeah, if you see Francisco, if we can get those two moved. Bill's gone to get a second skid steer from Omimi, and then we're gonna start moving the pallets over. All right, thanks, Jack. Are you gonna Mosier this?
Yeah, you got it.
Sick. I want to send them the file, the Mosier file, when we invoice.
Yeah.
Well, then it's exact. Like it's exact. We're not measuring it. We're not like I'll send them. I was thinking about it the other day. I was like, that's like the sickest file for invoicing. You know,
Oh yeah, that's so cool.
if you're
Like $700-800.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
Not too bad.
No subscription.
Yeah.
he made like an exact.
Yeah, I saw him do that.
Yeah,
really
it's
cool.
sick. I was thinking about getting it for estimates because it also tells elevation.
Yeah,
Yeah, you can do it.
Skateworks guys have it.
Yeah, and Fluidscape has one. Yeah. But Nancy does good drawings, but Nancy's also 72, so
Yeah.
I think she might retire at some point. Then
I
I'm
was gonna say she's gotta be retired.
then I'm gonna be fucked. So
Yeah.
yeah, well, I don't know how to use any of that shit.
Yeah,
So
fair enough.
that's okay. Maybe I'll be old and retired too.
I still have my I was gonna upgrade my design program this year. I just never ended up doing it. I still got the 2017 real-time landscape. Still works.
If it's working, it's working.
Yeah. It's pretty much the same thing as.
When we do the perma edge here, there's those two little spots down there
Yeah.
too.
Yeah. Should be 2 buckets should be enough for all.
Yeah, it's supposed to go 23, 24 feet per bucket.
Yeah.
So
That's what I do. I tell the guy before we trowel it in, if it says 22 feet, I get him to like shovel it out like 22 feet.
Yeah.
That way I actually get the 22 feet.
Yeah.
Because every time we don't, we get like 10 feet done.
Yeah.
It's like-
Yeah. Maybe you need more pavers too. It's gonna be close.
There's an open skid over there we can grab.
Yeah, there is an open one though. Yeah. All right. When you're done this, we'll find new tasks.
Sounds good.
Thanks, Matt.